guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to create this bold eye makeup look that's inspired by one of my favorite Instagram beauty gurus, Stacey Marie MUA. If you haven't checked her out, I'll leave her information down below so you can check her work out. She's very talented. I wanted to create this look because it's something different from what I'm usually doing, and I want to create like a nice, bold, dramatic look. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see how I create this look, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. First, I'm taking the Plouise Base, and I'm just going to apply that right on my eyelid. This is just to help my eyeshadow stay on longer and be more pigmented. And up next, I'll be using Morphe palette 35B. And I'll be using this color right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack on that color right on my eyelid. And now I'm just lightly blending out that line right at the crease area. And then up next, I'm going in with this pink color right here. Just applying that right on the edge. And I'm just going back with the previous green. So I'm just blending that right on there. Just kind of blending that line together so it can look nice and smooth. I'm just going a tiny bit right on that edge to add more of the pink. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this eye dust from Beauty UK. And before I apply that, I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue. So a little bit just to apply it where going to put the eye dust at, very lightly. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking my Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. And then I'm going to apply this black right here, right on my outer area, just to kind of smoke that out a bit while bringing it upwards. And I'm going to use the Amber Rose lashes. I'm going to be applying that. I stacked up two lashes together, the Queen and Peachy. You can also save 10% off by using my discount code Tosin Ojo Stylist 10. My primer, I'm using the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. So up next, I'm using the Chloe Louis Beauty highlighter in Bronze Beauty. So I'm just adding a bit of color corrector around my mouth because that's where I get dark. That's where I have like dark circle around my eyes, underneath my eyes, and around my mouth area. I'm just blending that in. Up next, I'm using my Hudabeauty foundation in shade Cinnamon. This foundation is so good. The coverage is insane. My concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. Up next, I'm going to use La Mercier translucent powder to set my under eye. And I'm going to go now and finish up the rest of my eyes. I am going to be using the same color as I used on my top, my under eye. I'm going to line my under eye using a black liner, Sigma black liner. And now I'm going to apply the green. Now I'm going in with that black, just smoking out that black waterline. And just going back with that green, just to blend out that line. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the eye dust from Beauty UK, just right there. Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Extended Play Mascara, then just gonna apply some mascara on. And then I'm going to be bronzing my skin with the NYX Matte Bronzer in number 4. So I'm just going to use that to contour. So I'm just taking the translucent powder and just cleaning up my sides. This is just to help your contour look a little bit more sharper on the sides. And then I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Powder. Blush, I'll be using the e.l.f. blush palette light. I'll be using this color right here. So I'm going to set my face first before I apply my highlighter. So I'm going to use the Becca Champagne Pop. Just lightly blending that into my skin. Come right on my nose. I just like to use my finger right here to really get right in there. I'll be using the Barrym Lip Kit 24 Karat. face. I'm going to go ahead and set my face now.